How to download all memories at once in Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Snapchat account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and your profile. After you click on the gear icon, you'll find different options in here. Scroll down and click on My Data. After you've clicked on My Data, you'll find different options in here. Click on Export Your Memories and turn it on. Then, Request. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on All Time and scroll down. Then press on Submit. After you've submitted, Snapchat will get back to you within 24 hours and send you your file in your mail. You can simply click on your mail, open the file, and download it. And this is how to download all memories at once in Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.